Never underestimate the power of a right shoe according to your body shape. Have you ever paid attention to what kind of footwear you wear? Generally, we take care of our clothing and we don't focus on our footwear. So, today decided to go ahead and talk about footwear. Hey, welcome to Aspire to Inspire with Preeti Manyar. Today we are going to talk about how the right kind of footwear helps you. And to get the right kind of footwear, what is important you should know. First and foremost, you should know that what is the type of your shoe or foot. You don't have a flat foot. If you have, you need to consider that also. If you have bunions, you need to consider that also. Also, you need to first and foremost look into the comfort of your foot. Second very important point that I would tell you need to pay attention on is you need to keep changing your footwear regularly. What happens is everyone has a different pattern of walking. Some have more pressure on the right foot, some have more pressure on the left foot. So what happens is after a certain period of time when that footwear is used, it gets imbalanced and hardly you would know about it, but it has a greater impact on your spinal cord, on your posture. So these are health things which you need to take care. I would talk how the footwear enhances your look. Yes, footwear is very important in your overall look. It's a very important accessory, and that is the reason you need to be very perfect in choosing the right kind of footwear. You need to first of all know your body shape. Like, are you a triangle body shape? Are you inverted triangle body shape? Are you rectangle type of a body shape? Are you diamond kind of a body shape? So all different kinds of body shapes. So you need to first of all know your body shape. And once you know your body shape, you can choose the right kind of a footwear that will counter the problematic areas and camouflage the areas you would like, the body shape you would like to enhance. Supposing if you are a triangle body shape. So in a triangle body shape, what happens is your bottom is heavy. So in that scenario, if you put on the high platform heels or the boots, it won't coordinate, and again it would add an weight on the bottom part, and this is how your complete look will not synchronize, and somewhere you will not feel comfortable about it. The people looking at you will feel something is missing in your look. If you are an inverted triangle person, in that scenario you can add on heavy bottoms, boots, because that counters your body shape, and as you go slim over the lower part, if you add on weight, it doesn't look odd. Similarly, if you are an hourglass shape, definitely you can wear heels, you can have pointed shoes. There are things that you need to consider like colors, what body shape you should wear, what kind of colors that will highlight your look. So I mean, there are many art and science related to choosing even the right kind of footwear. So if you are looking for or you are a person who wants everything to be perfect, this is one area you need to be very, very careful about. Choosing the right footwear can make or break your outfit. People don't know that if you are not wearing the right kind of footwear, you may look shorter, you may look wider, or even you may look disappropriate. So choosing the right footwear according to your body shape is very important. And once you know what is your type of a shoe, it is very easy to go out and shop for it. Do not wear any shoes that makes you discomfort. That is, of course, your first priority. But if you know the right kind of shoes what you need to wear, will definitely take up your look, make you look more appropriate, and you yourself will start feeling that confidence within yourself. If you feel the topics that I take is benefiting you, and if you wish me making some other kinds of topics, please mention in the comment box. And if you love my videos, please like, comment, share my videos. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell button, so whenever I make a video, you will get the notification. Showing you few examples of different kinds of footwear, how it looks, how it should be. Yes, of course, you need to keep your body shape in mind and your comfort first. This is just for your understanding different patterns, different types of footwear.